Mastering directions in English. Take the next turn. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you'll encounter when navigating directions in English. Take the next turn. Whether you're driving, walking, or planning your route on a map, understanding this phrase can be incredibly helpful. So, let's break it down together and ensure you can use it confidently in your conversations and travels. Take the next turn is a directional instruction often used in navigation to guide someone when they're moving towards a destination. It's a simple yet essential phrase that indicates an action you need to take soon. But what does it really mean? Let's dissect it. Take, in this context, means to follow or choose a path. The next implies the immediate opportunity or option coming up. Turn refers to a change in direction from the path you're currently on. Putting it all together, take the next turn means you should follow the immediate upcoming opportunity to change your direction. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various situations. Here are some examples. 1. Driving. When someone is giving you directions while you're driving, they might say, "Take the next turn on the right," meaning you should turn right at the next intersection or opportunity. 2. Walking. If you're walking and asking for directions, someone might say, "Take the next turn on the left," guiding you to turn left at the next corner or pathway. 3. Instructions for a route. Directions provided by maps or navigation apps often use this phrase to simplify instructions. They'll indicate whether the turn is on the right or left. Understanding the context is crucial because the direction in which you're supposed to turn, right or left, will usually be specified after the phrase. Learning to follow and give directions using this phrase can boost your confidence in English. Here are some tips. Listen carefully to the entire instruction. The direction, right or left, is as important as knowing you need to take the next turn. Practice giving directions using this phrase. It could be in a role-play scenario with a friend or even using a map to describe a route to someone. Remember, prepositions are key. Take the next turn on the right, or take the next turn to the left, are common ways to specify direction. There you have it, folks. Understanding and using the phrase, "Take the next turn," is a small but significant step in mastering English, especially if you're traveling or helping others navigate. We hope this video has shed some light on how to use this phrase effectively in your daily conversations and travels. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to rewind and review any parts of this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.